Hi guys, this is part 4 of drawing with name tutorial. In this part, I'm going to complete this drawing and the previous tutorial video link are in description box. Now let's start with our tutorial. I'm just going to write the name in the outline to make the job of captain, and in the same way I will complete the outline of this cloth also. After all completing the outline with name, now for shading part, you just have to write the name in one direction, left to right or up to down. It's your choice in which way you are comfortable. As you can see in the reference, the left hand side is darker than right hand side. So I'm writing the left hand side little bit name little bit closer and more pressure as compared to the right side. Now for same now for face shading, you just have to write the name with very low pressure in the shaded part of face. Don't worry about the alphabet are visible or not. Just write the name with very low pressure. Let me complete the forehead, cheek and jaw and the neck area. After all completing, you can enjoy the reveal part. Let's enjoy the reveal of Captain America.